Hello, my name is Matthew Goodrich.
Whoa, there's a dreamer in my soul. He's dreaming up a scene where we like really lose control. Whoa, I think I'm pretty sure far gone. I feel the strange sensation like some poetry's coming on. You're like the sky so vast and blue, and I'm like a bird getting lost in you, just floating on your song. 'Cause when she speaks, it's like my heart just skips a beat, and when she moves, it's like my world is falling through, and when she smiles, it's when she